Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to organize your pins on Pinterest. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and open the board you want to reorganize. Tap on Organize in the middle section. Tap on Select or Reorder Pins. And here you can pull them wherever you want, just as you like it. And if you tap on those three lines at each pin, then you can select some pins, or you can select all. If you tap on Select All at the top right corner. And with the selected pins you can do a few things. For example, you can add them to another board if you tap on that the arrow icon at the bottom section. If you tap on the second icon, then you can add them to a new section. If you tap on the share icon, then you can share them. If you tap on the bin icon, then you can delete the selected pins. And this is how you organize your pins on Pinterest. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!